guys, this is Holly Buzz with Bonnie
and Chloe.
One Direction has dissed Justin Bieber in a series of shocking new tweets.
I know. All right, so Justin decided to take it upon himself to change his Instagram handle to Bizzle, and I think that a few of the guys from One Direction were actually making fun of him when they posted these tweets. Liam and Louis tweeted shizzle and drizzle because it rhymes with Bizzle, so I feel like they're making fun of Justin.
Now, they were also caught on camera dressed like Justin Bieber and mugging for the camera the way that he does. They were in studio and they were doing his duck face and they were crossing their arms.
Why would they be mocking him? Well, keep in mind, Selena Gomez was just in London over the weekend after Valentine's Day, going out on a date with Niall Horan and reportedly making out together. So maybe they are rallying around this new union and saying, get rid of this loser Justin.
And Niall's a nice guy, and maybe he didn't like hearing about all the different things that Justin has done to Selena, and he told his friends.
Now, in the midst of all of this, One Direction got a jab when Kristen Wiig went on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon and basically dissed Harry Styles. She dressed just like him, from the hair all the way down to the pointy shoes.
But she did the worst impression of all time, and she had not done her research at all, except when she was asked about how she blow dries her hair.
I have to use two hair dryers, like different ways like that.
At the same time, you aim them at each other.
Yeah.
Like they're
Like this goes
fighting.
like this.
She was so funny, Bonnie, and I really hope that Harry isn't upset about it because it was all in good fun. All right, guys, so click on me or above to subscribe and sound off below and tell us, do you think the One Direction is dissing Justin Bieber?
Not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it.